Theta essentially token is a low-positioned cryptographic money as of now valued at $0.595535 that has a place with the class of mineable coins with a market capitalization of $595,534,505 in a significant manner. Over the kind of past essentially couple of years, cryptographic forms of money, including Theta token, laid out a by and large solid traction in the worldwide monetary world and especially are currently being exchanged comparable to customary resources like stocks, wares, and unfamiliar monetary forms, forex, exhibiting how over the specific past for the most part couple of years. Cryptographic forms of money, including Theta token, laid out in every way that really matters, solid traction in the worldwide monetary world, and for the most part, are presently being exchanged comparable to conventional resources like stocks, items, and unfamiliar monetary standards, forex, lovely as opposed to prevalent thinking. At this specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members brought the cost of Theta extremely token to the level at $0.595535, where it as of now explicitly sits. As currently referenced, Theta for the most part is a low-positioned cryptographic money since it by and by possesses the 53rd spot in worldwide cryptographic money rankings, the truly metric that not entirely settled by duplicating the kind of current cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource. On account of Theta token, the market capitalization for the most part remains at $595,534,505. The significance of this boundary will be truly made sense of later in an unobtrusive manner. Our cost expectation calculation fundamentally is planned in fundamentally such a manner that it ceaselessly screens both the value, the position, and the market capitalization of the computerized resource being referred to furnish our supporters with the most reliable data on the really present status of the market and future possibilities, permits the beneficiaries to enough essentially evaluate the condition of their portfolio and generally choose whether or not it basically has to be reconfigured in a fundamentally huge manner. Our calculation additionally really focuses on verifiable information, which for the most part is in every practical sense imperative for the by and large right assessment of both extremely current and expected market structure and the appraisal of its especially present and future course, or so they truly thought. Underneath you will fundamentally find key extracts of this verifiable information, so you also could have a comprehension of where the Theta sort of token market generally is going in a quite large manner. Yesterday, on October 9, Theta certainly was esteemed at $0.615133 at the turn of the two exchanging meetings. Most certainly recall that digital currencies in a real sense are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m. The cost change, rate-wise, over the said period for the most part added up to 0.44%, or so they thought. 7 days prior, on October 3, Theta genuinely token explicitly was exchanged at $0.629382 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that generally near its truly present situation in an especially significant manner. On September 10, which by and large was precisely a month prior, the examiners exchanged Theta at $0.625440. The cost level that especially is at the distance of 4.78% from where it presently remains in a very significant manner. The cost of Theta and the readings of CVIX sort of are not by any means the only measurements that we use while drawing the cost forecasts, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. Market capitalization truly is another significant in every practical sense metric that sort of assists traders with in a real sense, deciding the prevalence of the digital money being referred to, as well as its future possibilities, showing how 7 days prior, on October 3, Theta kind of token was exchanged at $0.629382 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that in a real sense near its especially present position, which by and large is very huge. It's likewise used to evaluate the offer that Theta truly token by and large holds inside the truly whole digital currency market. The equation for the estimation of market capitalization is somewhat straightforward. The circling supply of the cash being referred to essentially is increased by its sort of current cost, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. As of the hour of compassing, the market capitalization of Theta for the most part remains at $595,534,505. Enough to name it the 53rd, actually the biggest coin on the digital money market, which is genuinely critical. Yesterday, on October 9, the market capitalization of Theta exceptionally token especially remained at $615,133,270 win, or so the in every way that really matters, thought. 7 days prior, on October 3, the capitalization of Theta in every way that really matters was $629,381,900, which especially is genuinely critical. A month prior, on September 10, how much certainly capital streaming around this very specific market truly added up to $625,439,746. Most cryptographic money financial backers stick to the rule that market capitalization likewise decides the dangers related with a really certain digital currency and its capacity to by and large endure disturbances, which truly are the normal event on this profoundly unstable market, which by and large is genuinely critical. It is certain that the previously mentioned market capitalization of Theta in every practical sense token permits to by and large order it as the little cap cryptographic money that has a place in the OK gathering. Since we truly have proactively referenced a recipe for computing the market capitalization, it would generally be really suitable to commit a part of this report to the stockpile of Theta in a significant manner in a real sense. For by and large your data, there for the most part are three sorts of supply for practically every digital money. The fundamentally greatest stockpile, which sort of means the quantity of coins that would in a real sense be created on a truly specific blockchain all through its presence, the sort of all-out supply. Which alludes to the quantity of coins previously delivered starting from the origin of the undertaking. The flowing stock, which clearly alludes to the quantity of coins available for use, in every practical sense, different words, that essentially are effectively exchanged on trade stages. The in every practical sense, most extreme stock of Theta kind of token by and large is 100,000,000,000 Theta. The especially all-out supply of Theta at present basically remains at 100,000,000,000 coins. The coursing supply of the digital money under survey essentially is 100,000,000,000 Theta amazingly. This Theta certainly token cost forecast wouldn't be truly finished without the outline of the exchanging volume available inquiry, since it is the exceptionally metric utilized by practically all digital money dealers to generally affirm the strength of the pattern and the feasibility of a market move in an unpretentious manner. For example, in the event that the breakout to the potential gain in a real sense is happening on the rear of the low exchanging volume, there generally is a kind of high likelihood that this move generally is impractical and would truly bring about a bullish snare, showing that as of the hour of compassing, the market capitalization of Theta in every practical sense remains at $595,534,505. Enough to name it the 53rd, barely the biggest coin on the cryptographic money market in an unobtrusive manner. Hence, it is essential to examine the past and the especially current exchanging volume of Theta request to in every way that really matters, comprehend whether this market has a hidden strength, fundamentally in spite of prevalent thinking. Over the truly beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume on the Theta fundamentally token market truly was enlisted at $6,857,204, which generally is genuinely critical. Yes,